we appreciate this interaction. We appreciate that you do have a control of budgets report. That was really a big issue for us. We had flagged it as red and ready to come guns blazing. So we are happy that we are going to go back smiling. So I think on behalf of this committee, we want to thank you. And thank you for the work that you have done for Kenyans. And indeed, do document it. Let it be a case study that other counties can also borrow from and share from. So other than that, thank you for receiving us very warmly here at the office. Thank you.
I'm a believer in the principle that when somebody has done well, somebody is good, you tell him when he's alive, and not when he's dead. And for that matter, image is everything. The presentation that I have seen since I came here, from all those places that we visited, from getting in here, from the friendly relationship that I have seen, which is very rare, between senators and their governors and the deputy governors, I think there is something that is being done differently in this county. So probably as you take us through how you've been able to manage here in Mombasa, and especially bring down the numbers. I kindly share some bit of experiences because I know it's not been easy. And from where I sit, from the governors I've interacted with of the counties that have gone to when I was in public accounts, this committee in legal affairs, and many others, I think there is something that is purely very different. So I want to commend you for that, but kindly share the experiences with us, because when we have an opportunity, we may be able to tell people to visit in Mombasa and learn a few things from you. Thank you, Chair.
Quite impressive. We're happy with what we've learned, and we have the opportunity to sort of contrast with the few counties that we've visited. So I'd say congratulations, but of course the little areas of gaps that we will ask as we go along.
Matters health, how we are affected, but even though some of us saw some silver lining and see how best we can capitalize and optimize on opportunities going forward into the future, there are serious socio-economic issues. We are at a point where we had deep discussions on our economy as a region, and then we're hit by COVID. So there are deep issues that requires, broad thinking on how we can be able to resolve them. We're ready. We've seen it. We've learned from it. It is something that was unprecedented. We learned on it on the job itself. A lot of lessons that have gotten us to be able to think of what we need to do in the future in case, God forbid, we are to deal with a pandemic of this magnitude.